Hey guys, today I got in the mail sent to me by a really close friend up in Ohio. Shout out to Maddie Miller, and thank you so much for sending me these products. I'm so excited to test them and see how they work. They're all Ardell products, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got in the box. So here we go. Okay, so here we go. I've never tried Ardell products before, so I'm super excited about this. She sent me so many and I'm literally so excited. So we have Stroke a Brow, which with a feathering pen. So I feel like this is something where I'm really excited about to give like a microblade, especially with these colors with clients who have really like lighter brows. I'm really excited to see if the color really is accurate. Then we have the mascara, and with this I'm super excited because I literally am such a huge fan of Ardell Lashes. It's almost always what I buy. And then we have liquid lip liner, which by the way I've never used before, so this will be super fun to play with. I have a feeling I'm going to be using these for some fun looks. And then some gloss to go on top of it. Oh gosh, now I'm getting excited. Now we have lip stains, I believe these are. Forever Kissable lip stain. Ooh, these are pretty. I'm excited about the red. Ooh, I love the red. Especially because it looks like it's a cool red. Then we have, what are these? Lipstick. So just a natural lipstick. Probably have like a cream base. I'm assuming this, obviously the stains are going to be matte. And then Brow Confidential Brow Duo. I wonder if it's a pencil duo or what exactly it is. I'm going to open some of these and show you guys which ones I've chosen to use on myself. And then of course eyeliners, which I'm super excited about the white because I always use white on my bottom, and the blue to have fun with. But these are going to be super fun. We'll see how they work. All right. Okay, now we get to play with some of our Ardell products. I'm going to go ahead and try and use my first one, which is the Ardell Stroke a Brow Feathering Pen. I'm going to go ahead and try the microblade look with it, or technique with it, and let's see how it does. I'm using the dark brown. So it actually does have a super nice felt tip end like I showed you guys earlier, and it is really working quite nicely. I think it's really good for if you want to just fill in your eyebrows. If you already have dark brows, I would use this with a combination with a brow tint to get your best result with it. Final consensus on the Stroke a Brow and Dark Brown is that I actually really like this product. As you can see, it looks super natural. I always go for a microbladed, more natural look. It's literally just used as a filler, and that's what I like so much more because I already have naturally thicker brows. So I usually never go for the heavy shaded like blocked brow look. On my other brow, I'm going to go ahead and use that Brow Confidential, the Brow Duo, where you're supposed to use the clear gel first. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. I'm assuming I'm just stroking my brow hair up like where I want it to be, I'm guessing. And I'm very much for a hairy brow look, so I almost always love when my brows like stick straight up. So I really like this gel side because it really does a good job of holding. And then this applicator side is what's weird. And it literally looks like it's powder, not really the formula I was expecting. And then I'm just gonna brush it in, I'm guessing. god. So this applicator I think is horrible for brows. I mean, I just would never use this kind of a product, I'm gonna be honest. So if you have a gajillion pointed Q-tips, I think you could make this product work. But it is definitely not something that I'd recommend. I don't like using this because the fact is it's very messy and it's going everywhere and I have no control over it. But we're gonna try and make it work just to show you guys a bit of a, like, what am I supposed to do? Like, I don't understand what they want from me. And then it smears everywhere. No, I can't do this kind of product. I might actually use the gel side for lifting up my brow hair, but other than that, not a huge fan of the Brow Duo. So to complete my like brows to be even, I ended up going back and just using the Stroke a Brow feathering pen, which I actually really like. As you guys can see, it looks super natural, I guess you could say. Very like bold, but nothing like that Brow Duo was, where it was just like shadow and messy and horrible. This is very, very clean, so I highly recommend this. Now I'm going to be using some of my shadow just to sort of start my eye look, and then going to go ahead and try the eyeliners that I got from Ardell. Just the same. Oh, no, my side keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, no, all night to the road, just go. No, my side keeps moving like a rolling stone. No. Okay, and now that my shadow is completed, I'm going to go ahead and use my dark eyeliner. It is black, I believe, ink. And these are twist up, which is really nice. And just go right on my lash line. Oh, that's good. It just broke. Okay, so they're very, very soft, which I actually do really like. The only problem is now I have this as my tip. I do really like how soft it is. I just wish that it was more of a sharpener kind, because now I just don't have a good end to it. Okay, so I can already tell you, because of how soft this formula is, because I have hooded eyes, I'm definitely going to be having that crease on my lid. So I personally am not going to probably use this very much on my upper lid. If I do, it's going to be for smoky eyes only. Soft at first, but then it just sort of dries and becomes a little bit flaky. I'm kind of not really liking it that much, but maybe it will work with my hooded eyes. Let's see about the bottom. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the pearl. Let's see if this breaks. Ooh, I really like this on the bottom. So pigmented. Honestly, I've never had an eyeliner like this. Usually, like when I do white, it's like something that's just subtle and like makes it pop. But this, friends, is a different story. I feel like I have to completely change my look because, honey, this is not natural. So review of the eyeliners, I think they're super pigmented, super fun to play with. I'm really excited to try the other colors. For hooded eyes though, as you guys can see, like, I'm a mess. Like, this is not good. I'm gonna have to go over with like shadow to like set it all, because it's just, this is not gonna fly. But continuing on, we're gonna move on to the mascara. I actually pulled out 2 different kinds of mascara. I really want to try the top and bottom precision mascara, and then for the fiber building mascara on top of that. I've never had a fiber building mascara. I've heard of them, so I'm like really curious to try them. I'm really interested also to see what the difference is in the applicators. So this is for the top. So this is like a very large mascara one that's like sort of a cone, I guess you could say. Okay, so far not overly impressed with this, but let's see about the bottom, because obviously that white on my waterline is gonna really show the difference. Ooh, look at that applicator. That could actually make your life pretty like a lot easier actually. I'm excited. So I really like this. Especially for those of us who don't have that many bottom lashes, like moi. Yeah, no, I really like this a lot. Now let's go ahead and try that fiber building, which is Wispies. This is the applicator. It looks quite normal, to say the least. So I think I need to be wearing a little bit of a like lighter eye to really see it stand out, but I am noticing how much thicker it looks after that one coat of the fiber building mascara, the Wispies. I really am a huge fan of the bottom part on the precision mascara. The top, not too impressive to me. We're gonna take a pause because I need to fix my eyes, so one moment. So I added a little bit of gray eyeshadow from my Kat Von D palette, just on the upper, just to sort of blend it out a little bit better, and then underneath to just sort of make my eye a little bit more dramatic. Wasn't planning on that, but these products turned out that way, and actually I really am obsessing with the white underneath my eye. I am really happy though that I chose a bit more of a neutral lip, because with my face I always look better if I choose one thing to be more dramatic. So I'm going to go ahead and try this liquid lip liner, and the color is, I don't know, but it's like a neutrally color, as you can see. And the tip of it is felt tip. It almost looks similar to the felt tip brow liner. I think that's. Okay, I think this kind of product is perfect for people who have uneven lips or want to recreate sort of an overlined lip, a bigger lip, because it's super easy to control. So it actually dries out really quickly. I'm not really liking how how it's handling so far. I just feel like it's a little bit too thin. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the lip stain, which is also like a marker, which is really interesting. We'll see how this looks. It feels really weird because it literally feels like a marker. Doesn't smell very good. See, I wouldn't see a point in using the liquid lip liner and this, because you can use this as sort of a liner as well. And this is actually turning out to be a lot darker than it looks. It's drying out really quickly. Okay, so I would probably recommend this product for, like, what's the best way of saying it? I would recommend this product for people with fine lines around their lips, because it's gonna stain them. It's literally a stain. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything. So that, for people who don't like the feel of lip products, I think that this is perfect for you, because literally I feel like I'm not wearing anything on my lips right now, which I personally think I could like, but the fact is I don't actually really like how it looks, and the color is just way too bright for me right now. It feels like I'm wearing nothing. I'm actually just gonna go on over what I just put on with the matte whipped lipstick. I'm actually really excited about this because it's a liquid lipstick and I love matte liquid lipsticks, so let's see if I love this. Oh, finally, the color I need. Anyways, I am really actually obsessed with the matte whipped by Ardell lipstick. I actually am excited to really try the other ones as well, because I didn't even realize they were liquid lipsticks. They look like lip glosses. And then also excited to really try the Hydra lipstick. So I'm assuming this is a super creamy formula. So I'm going to be showing you guys those on some other videos when I just work them into looks. But overall, Ardell's products I'm actually a huge fan of. There are a few that I would say no-go, but the lip stains I think could be beneficial with certain clients. As a makeup artist who practices makeup on clientele, I think that it's really going to be beneficial on some people, and some people really like them. Now, me personally, I don't think I'll be using them very much, but highly recommend the matte lipstick and the brow feathering pen, if I can remember what the name is. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel.